Hello friends, welcome to new chapter, that is projection of plane surfaces. This is session 1 on projection of plane surfaces. Here we categorize this as all these problems under top view starting problems. I'll tell you what exactly is top view starting problems and all that, because later on you get front view starting problems. You get so many other varieties also. When if a problem is given, how to start and how to end, you will know here. These are all offline video help files prepared by Dr. B. Gurdu, that is me, former professor and head, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Bangalore Institute of Technology, KR Road, Bangalore 4. Presently working as professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Nitta Meenakshi Institute of Technology, Yelahanka, Bangalore 64. Now, you see here, this is the basic concept. Please observe this basic concept you should know. Now, I have taken one simple example of triangular lamina ABC. Is it okay? Triangular lamina ABC. Okay. This is horizontal plane. This plane is horizontal plane. I have called it as HP. This plane, I have called it as vertical plane because this is vertical. This is at 90 degrees to HP. Okay. This is vertical plane. I call it as VP. This is horizontal plane. I call it as HP. Okay. Now, the intersection of VP and HP, as I said earlier, it is called XY line. Okay. XY line is the intersection of VP and HP. See here, if you have a triangular lamina this way, you are looking from here. Always you understand the observer is looking in this direction, that is perpendicular to VP, to draw the front view. This is observer position. This is observer position. This is observer position perpendicular to HP to draw the top view. This you can never forget. Okay. Observer position is always perpendicular to VP, that is his direction of vision is perpendicular to VP to get the front view, perpendicular to HP to get the top view. On HP you get the top view, on VP you get the front view. Okay. Now this triangular lamina, no, here afterwards triangular lamina blindly you write this way. A, B, C. I'll the next problem you'll continue with this. Okay, triangular lamina if you draw this way, okay, this position we call it as triangular lamina edge corner position. Can you understand this? We call it as edge corner position. See here, right now, this triangular lamina I have written. When the observer is looking from here, what is the nearest to him? B is nearer, A is away. Okay, B dash bracket A dash. When you are looking from here, this is C dash. That means B dash, A dash and C dash. Okay, 1, 2, 3 edges here. Okay, in that way, CB, CA, AB, 3 edges are here. This is the front of the triangular lamina. See carefully here now. This triangular lamina, if you are written this way, if I lift this C dash up, now this triangular lamina in the front view, it is at the intersection of VP and HP, correct? No? It is at the intersection of VP and HP. Now if I lift this triangular lamina with C dash up like this, can you observe it is resting on edge AB and HP? That is, AB is already on HP. Now if you tilt it up, see when it comes up, naturally edge AB is on HP, surface may be inclined at some degrees to HP alone. Can you understand? This is edge on HP. Okay. In case in the problem corner is on HP, if they give, what you do? You draw the top view front view this way only. Instead of lifting C dash, you lift B dash A dash like here. Lift B dash A dash. So that this is 30 degrees to HP and corner C is on HP. Correct? No? Here corner AB is on HP. Okay. Please follow. Just by writing one single position in this way, okay, you can make edge on HP or corner on HP both by single position of the triangular lamina. Okay, then afterwards we'll continue and all that I'll tell you. Now you should know very well, here it is edge on HP means it is edge AB on HP. Here corner on HP means It is corner on HP. As you know very well, see here, this is the top view, this is the front view. This front view and this front view are same because whatever we are seeing here is the median length, CXR. Okay, when it is tilted with reference to when it is lying on VP, when it is tilted parallel to VP, for an observer, this is median length only. When it is tilted parallel to VP, this will be in its true length. This is median length only. That is why this front view and this front view will be one and the same because it's the same, the median length, and it's also lying in VP. When you're lying in VP, it is parallel to VP. That means whatever you do, the front view won't change. That is why even this front view will never change. But you should know very well, here it is edge on HP, here it is corner on HP, one single position. That is why here afterwards, we call this as triangular lamina, edge and corner position. Okay, please observe, this is now plane surfaces, what we are doing. But later on, the same thing gets converted into triangular pyramid or tetrahedron. Okay, triangular pyramid later on, and the same thing, it gets converted into triangular prism. But for all that, your basics are very important. You write this way only. Did you follow? You are writing this way only. Okay. Now you see. Now, carefully you see one simple problem. A triangular lamina of size 25. That means a triangular lamina is there, 25, has an edge on HP, which is inclined at 60 degree to VP. The surface of the lamina is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Draw projections. Okay. This is actually P4 means it is in the VTU, VTU syllabus and all that, Vishweshwara Technological University syllabus. This is problem number 4. That is why I just given. Just remember, okay. It is the same problem, but I have solved. But you will clearly know why we are doing this way. A triangular lamina of size 25 has an edge on HP inclined at 60 degrees to HP. The surface of the lamina is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Draw projections. Okay. Now, blindly you draw this. First you draw XY line. Immediately VP HP. Draw one triangle 25 mm side. This is 25. This is 25. This is 25. If you know this 25 writing and all that in solid edge, 25. This is 25 under angle minus 30 you give. Minus 30, 25 under angle minus 30. Length 25, angle minus 30 because this is 60. Internal angle is 60. And when you want to write BC, you draw 25 plus 30. Then it will intersect here. Okay, ABC. Then B dash, A dash, C dash is the front view of this line. Correct? No? Okay, is the front view of the line as I have told you here. Okay, it is the front view of the line. This is the front view of the line, what we have. Okay. Now, if you see here, if I lift this up, it will be on HP. If I lift this up, corner will be on HP. And as you know, the front view cannot change because it is attached to VP. When you move it parallel to VP only, the front view cannot change because an observer is looking from here. This is on VP. When you, that is this length also, if you imagine a median here, it is a median length. When you move it, the median will be still parallel to VP. As a result, the front view cannot change. Okay. Now what you do is here, it is edge on HP. Correct now? Edge AB on HP and surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Take the same front view, incline it at 60 degrees. In that way, same front view, incline it at 60 degrees. This you complete. Here afterwards, what I do is, this is first stage top view front view. This is second stage top view front view. Second stage front view already written. First stage front view will be same as second stage front view. Now you see here, you are looking from here. Can you follow? You are looking from here. When you look from here, you are writing the top view. Okay. Now you see here, you draw the that is projectors here. Projectors here. On this you should get A. On this you should get B. On this you should get C. In that way, if you draw, you are getting the second stage top view. But what you should know here is, between this and this, what is the change? Here the entire lamina was an HP. That is why true length was seen in the top view. But now the lamina is tilted such that edge is on HP. Surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. As a result, when the surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP, when you are looking from the top, AC and BC would have lost true length. It will not be in true length. Like here, it is in true length, no? Because the entire lamina was on HP. Now it is tilted about an edge AB on HP. As a result, CA and CB are not in true length. Okay. Now this is 60 degrees to HP. Surface is inclined at 60 degrees. Or you can, if the median is there, you can call it median inclined at 60 degrees to HP also. Okay. Once you know, you see here. This top view, we call it a second stage top view. This top view, if I tilt it this way, in the top plane, no, in the HP, if I tilt it anywhere, as long as inclination to HP is constant, the top view does not change. It will be the same top view if you rotate with respect to AB. Okay, if you rotate. Because the inclination to HP, if inclination to HP changes, this top view changes. But inclination to HP is 60 degree. I am not changing. I can tilt it. Now I can tilt it in such a way that, you see here, edge on HP is AB, no? How I tilted is, edge on HP is inclined at 60 degrees to VP or XY line. 60 degrees to VP I have done. Okay, but this top view, second stage top view, is same as third stage top view. In that way, the same top view, you in solid edge, no, you move and copy and rotate with respect to AB such that it is 60 degrees to VP. Okay. Then once this and this are same, once this is 60 degree, take the projector's front. On this you should get AB, that is A here, B here, C here. Then join this. You are getting the front view. The problem is more or less over here. The problem here is what? A triangular lamina of size 25 has an edge on HP. Okay. That edge is actually 60 degrees to VP. But what is the surface inclination? Surface is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Okay. That means in this complex position, in this position, how exactly is the lamina? The lamina in this position, you should imagine that it is already inclined at 60 degrees to HP. And edge on HP is already inclined at 60 degrees to VP also. Okay. In this complex position, when you see from the front, this is how it is seen. When you see from the top, this is how it is seen. This is the top view and front view of a triangular lamina which is inclined at 60 degrees to HP and edge on HP is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. Okay, this is the problem given. See here, I have told you as long as inclination to HP is constant, the top view remains same. If I say this is XY line, this is VP HP, correct? No? Okay. If I say edge on HP parallel to VP, if the problem was there, I would have made AB parallel to XY line. Okay. If I say edge on HP is inclined at 40 degrees to VP means AB I would have made 40 degrees. Okay. If I say in the problem, had it been edge on HP is lying in VP means I would have put it on XY line. Anyway, these things I'll tell you in a detailed way in the next sessions. In sessions to come, there are so many things to be done, but be careful. This is the basic problem. Now it is, you should know, looking at the front to top view only, you should know what exactly is the problem. See here, XY, VP, HP are drawn. Okay. This is a triangular lamina 25 mm side. This anyway it will be in true length. I got the front view. Then I've tilted, you see the second stage front view. A dash, B dash is on that. That means B dash, A dash is on XY line means edge is on HP. And surface is inclined at, or median inclined at 60 degrees to HP. And you get the top view. Okay. This top view and this top view remain same because inclination to HP, surface inclination to HP remains same. This second stage top view and third stage top view will remain same. Then what I have done is, edge is on, which is on HP is AB. That is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. That is edge on HP is inclined at 60 degrees to VP. This is the problem. Just by looking at the front view, top view, you should be in a position to tell how exactly the problem is. Okay. This is the end of session 1 on plane surfaces, top view starting problems, because we start from in all these problems, we start from the top view here. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much for watching. We'll continue in the next session. Thank you.